Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to reactivate Roblox account after ban. In this video, we'll go over how to reactivate your Roblox account. First, close the Roblox app if it's open, and open your browser, Safari or any preferred one. Search for Roblox support, and click on the first link that appears. If you're not logged in, that's fine. Enter the email address associated with your Roblox account and confirm it. Next, select the device you usually play on, and for the help category, choose account hack or account login issues. A menu will appear where you can further specify the problem. In the description field, clearly explain that you can access your account, provide any relevant account details, and mention that you need to reactivate it. Once submitted, Roblox will generate a support ticket and contact you for any additional information needed to help restore your account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.